Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art of this race car, and it's got some watermarks on it. And this is not unlike other videos I've done on this exact same subject, but it's a little bit different. So I thought I'd go ahead and do it. So click on your clip art, go to bitmap, convert it to let's resize it, make sure it's or resample it. I've already set it to 300 dots per inch, which is good. I'm going to convert to a bitmap. I'm going to convert to black and white. And then I'm going to go to trace. My trace is right here. Your trace is going to be under bitmap, outline trace, clip art. It's asking you to reduce a bitmap, and that's fine. It traces it pretty good, pretty fast. It's already at 40%. This is Corel 19, so it's got a percentage and not a slide bar. Your new copy should always normally be on top, so let's move it out of the way. As you can see, I made a copy of it just in case I messed up. And then we're going to go to arrange, group, and ungroup, and we're going to get rid of the outline around it. Now, if you take this outline out, the car becomes black. So there's a lot of things you could do. If you click on a black on the outer edge, this thing is almost 10 inches, so let's change our nudge factor to 10. We're going to click on the black part and nudge it up and see what happens. You've got a silhouette or an entire blob. So let's do it one more time. Let's take all this and left click no fill, right click hairline, or I draw a hairline. Let's take this item, left click, right click, and now we get the silhouette. Let's nudge it back down twice. Now you could smart fill some different areas, but this is where the combine tool works really good. We're going to select it all, go up to arrange, and go combine. And then when you do that, it makes it all one piece. You don't have to smart fill it. You can just check on it and fill it with black. Now I would left click, no outline, just in case you're going to cut it. So there is a good clean. It got rid of the watermarks. It traced really good. I mean, the drawing's not perfect. It's got some, I would do some changes of it with this tire. It's got some sharp points. But other than that, it's a good, clean, crisp compared to that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.